हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं डायरेक्शन रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन। ऐसे क्वेश्चन लॉजिकल सेक्शन में आते हैं एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, बी इट लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन और एनी अदर एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम आई सजेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू बी रेडी विद अ पेन एंड पेपर. हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. यहाँ पे 10 क्वेश्चंस होंगे. ये पहला पार्ट है और भी बहुत सारे पार्ट्स आगे मैं लाता रहूँगा, तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. एंड वंस वी आर डन विद द 10 क्वेश्चंस हम इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन की तरफ जाएंगे. सो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप हर क्वेश्चन को पॉज करके इसको सॉल्व करिए और लेटर हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि इसका क्या करेक्ट आंसर है. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट अस गो टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इफ यू आर फेसिंग नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड मूव 10 मीटर फॉरवर्ड, turn left and move 7.5 meter, then you are option A north of your initial position, option B south of your initial position, option C 12.5 meter from the initial position, option D both A and C. सो आप इस वीडियो को पॉज कर लीजिए और इसे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिए. लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. One day Rabi left home and cycled 10 kilometers southward, turned right and cycled 5 kilometers, and turned right and cycled 10 kilometers, and turned left and cycled 10 kilometers. How many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight? आप इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए और ये चार ऑप्शंस हैं: 10 किलोमीटर, 15 किलोमीटर्स, 20 किलोमीटर्स एंड 25 किलोमीटर्स. ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस आफ्टर पॉजिंग दिस वीडियो. लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards north. From there he walks 6 kilometers towards south. Then he walks 3 kilometers towards east. How far and in which direction is he with reference to his starting point? Option A 5 kilometers west, option B 7 kilometers west, option C 7 kilometers east, or option D 5 kilometers northeast. So now let us move to the next question. Tina drives 45 kilometers towards east, turns right and drives 65 kilometers, then turns left and drives 33 kilometers. In which direction is he facing now? Option A east, option B north, option C west, option D south. Again I request all of you to pause the video and try to solve this particular direction related quiz. Moving to the next question. A man walks 15 meters south, then turning to his right he walks 15 meters, then turning to his left he walks 10 meters, again turns to his left and walks 15 meters. How far is he from his initial position? Option A 10 meter, option B 25 meter, option C 15 meter, option D 60 meter. Moving to the next question. One morning Rita started to walk towards the sun. आप ये मतलब याद रख लीजिए कि sun rises from east. So keeping this in mind, you have to solve this particular direction related quiz. As the sun rises from east, so you have to take this direction as east. After walking a while, she turned to her left and again to her left. After walking a while, she again turned right. Which direction is she facing now? Option A east, option B west, option C north, and option D south. Moving to the next question. One day Nita left home and cycled 10 kilometers southwards, turned right and cycled 5 kilometers, and turned right and cycled 10 kilometers, and turned left cycled 10 kilometers. How many kilometers will she have to cycle to reach her home straight? Option A 10 kilometers, option B 15 kilometers, option C 20 kilometers, and option D 25 kilometers. ये वाले थोड़ा सा टाइम लेंगे पर आप इसे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए बाय पॉजिंग दिस वीडियो. A located to the west of B, C is located at north in between A and B, D is exactly to the south of B and also in line with B. In which direction of C is D located? ये थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, compared to the previous questions. And the options are A south, option B southeast, option C west, or option D southwest. Moving to the next question. Deepak walks 20 meters towards north. He then turns left and walks 40 meters. He again turns left and walks 20 meters. Further, he moves 20 meters after turning to the right. How far is he from his original position? Option A 20 meters, option B 60 meters, option C 50 meters, or option D 30 meters. Again, I request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this puzzle. Later on, we'll discuss the explanation of all these questions. Moving to the last question. Asa walks 3 kilometers southward and then turns right and walks 2 kilometers. She again turns right and walks 3 kilometers and turns towards her left and starts walking straight. In which direction is she walking now? Option A east, option B north, option C south, option D west. आई होप आपने 10 क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स निकाल लिए होंगे. So let us go to the explanation section. So now we will go through the explanation of all these questions and try to find out whether we have got the correct answer or not. So without wasting any time, let us go to the explanation section. So the explanation of first question is, ये diagram है as per the question and you have to use that Pythagoras theorem. Clearly, the narrator starts from A, moves towards northeast a distance of 10 meters up to B, turns left 90 degree anti-clockwise. Remember, जब भी कोई direction से कुछ अलग direction जाते हैं तो 90 degree का ही angle लिया जाता है and moves 7.5 meters up to C. Clearly, C lies to the north of A, and as you can see in the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So by using the Pythagoras formula, you can see AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, which is equal to 10 square plus 7.5 square, which is equal to 100 plus 56.25, which is equal to 156.25. Now we'll find out the square root of AC. Sorry, the square root of 156.25 in order to find the distance of AC, which is equal to 12.5 meter. Thus the narrator is 12.5 meter to the north of his initial position. Hence option D is the correct option. So both A and C is the correct option. Moving to the next question. So this is the diagram after going through the question and properly executing it. You can see clearly Ravi starts from home at A, moves 10 kilometers southwards up to B, turns right and moves and 5 kilometers up to C, turns right again and moves 10 kilometers to D, and finally turns left and moves 10 kilometers up to E. Thus his distance from initial position A is equal to AE plus DE, which is equal to BC plus DE, which is equal to 5 plus 10 kilometer as given. So which is equal to 15 kilometer. So the correct option is option B, which is 15 kilometer. I hope आप सबके आंसर सही आए होंगे. Moving to the next question. Explanation of question 3. ये आपको डायग्राम ऐसे मिलेगा. Clearly Kunal moves from A 10 km northwards up to B, then moves 6 km southwards up to C, turns towards east and walks 3 km up to D. Then AC is equal to AB minus BC, as you can see in the figure, which is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 km. So Kunal's distance from the starting point A Here you can see we have again used the Pythagoras theorem. AD is equal to AC square plus CD square, which is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, which is equal to 5 kilometer. Also D is to the northeast of A, hence option D is correct, which is 5 kilometer northeast. Moving to the next question. Here you can see in the explanation, first you need to understand the direction. This is north, this is south, this is east and this is west. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है डायरेक्शन याद रखने में तो पहले आप इसको याद रख लीजिए, बिकॉज इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ दिस आप इसको सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज सो यू शुड रिमेंबर दिस पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस आपके पास एक ऐसा फिगर आने वाला है, ऐसा 33 किलोमीटर, 65 किलोमीटर एंड 45 किलोमीटर. And from this figure you can actually find out that the diagram that Tina is facing east. From this diagram you can actually figure out that Tina is facing east, hence option A is correct. So the correct option is option A, that is east. Moving to the next question. Again direction आप जान लीजिए और जो फिगर आपको मिलने वाला है, this is the kind of figure that you will come across after solving this particular direction related quiz. आप ये देख सकते हैं इस फिगर को. 15 किलोमीटर 10 मीटर, सॉरी 15 मीटर 10 मीटर 15 मीटर एंड 15 मीटर. So the total distance from the initial position is equal to 15 meter plus 10 meter, which is equal to 25 meter. Hence option B is correct answer. So the correct option is option B, which is 25 meter. Moving to the next question. Again आपको एक ऐसा ही फिगर मिलने वाला है. This is the starting point and after following all the instruction you will come across this kind of lines. So the direction, so it's quite clear from the diagram that now Rita is facing north, hence option C is the correct option, that is C, north. Moving to the next question. So this will be the diagram that you will come across after solving this particular direction related quiz. As you can see from the figure, she have to cycle to reach her home state, which is equal to 10 meter plus 5 meter, which is equal to 15 meter. Hence option B is correct. Option B, 15 kilometer, is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. आप इस डायरेक्शन को भी याद रख लीजिए. समटाइम्स पीपल स्ट्रगल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस काइंड ऑफ डायरेक्शन. सो नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट भी होता है, उसके साथ साथ नॉर्थ ईस्ट साउथ वेस्ट साउथ ईस्ट नॉर्थ वेस्ट, आपको ये सब भी याद रखना है. अफॉरमेंशन इनके एब्सेंस में आप कर नहीं सकते. सो दिस विल बी द फिगर आफ्टर यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस. कुछ ऐसा ही फिगर आपके पास आने वाला है. सो इट्स क्वाइट क्लियर फ्रॉम द डायग्राम दैट डी इज साउथ ईस्ट ऑफ सी. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं डी इज साउथ ईस्ट ऑफ सी, hence option B is the correct answer. Option B, southeast, is the correct answer of this question. Moving to the next question. So this will be the figure after solving this particular question. I hope आप सारे के ऐसे फिगर ही आ रहे होंगे. So it's quite clear from the diagram that Deepak's distance is equal to 20 मीटर प्लस 40 मीटर. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं क्लियरली 20 मीटर प्लस 40 मीटर which is equal to 60 मीटर. Hence option B is correct. So option B, which is 60 meter, is the correct answer. Moving to the next question related to आशा. कुछ ऐसा फिगर आपको आने वाला है. 3 किलोमीटर 2 किलोमीटर 3 किलोमीटर. This is starting point of Asha. So she is going to west right now, as you can see. So option D is the correct answer. So option D, west, is the correct answer. So I hope you have solved all the direction related quiz that are being discussed in this particular session, and we will bring many parts in the future. So मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और आगे भी सिर्फ डायरेक्शन रिलेटेड नहीं और भी बहुत सारे रिलेटेड मैं क्वेश्चन लाने वाला हूँ, एंड यू कैन सॉल्व इट एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली एज एनी काइंड ऑफ एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. So friends, that's all for the mocks that is related to the direction, and in future also will come with various kind of videos aforementioned. So do subscribe to our channel and stay connected. Thank you very much.